Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. These coupons are at Dollar General. So we're gonna use the $2 off 2 of Scott paper towel or the toilet paper. Next, we'll go to the Cottonelle section. They're next to each other, so we're gonna use the coupon that save $2 on any 2 packages. So we're gonna take advantage of that and pick up 2. Next, we're gonna go to the gain section. Now we're gonna use the $2 off on any one of these, so you can pick up one of those and use the $2 coupon to save on that. Next, we're gonna go to the dryer sheets and we're gonna grab one of these. Now this is if you use the $2 you can get it free, but I want to grab the 60 count. Now these are all the coupons we used. We used the $2 off Scott. Also, we used the Cottonelle, $2. We also used the $2 off the detergent. Also, the $2 off the fabric softener. Now I'm gonna pay $1 more because. Okay, so like you see here, guys, this is all the products that we purchased earlier from Dollar General. So, like you guys see, this is the dryer sheet. It's the 60 sheets. I paid 95 cents for this because I wanted the 60 sheets, but if you guys want it for free, then you can get the 34 count. Okay, so like you see here, the total was $25.09, and with the coupons we saved $13.50, and we only paid just $11.59. And you can also save an additional 50 cents from the Scott's, which comes with it like that. You can see it. Hey guys, so thank you so much for tuning into this video, and please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment below if you have any other questions. Leave a like and please help me grow this channel.